This is the swiping area. Swipe completely on the swiping area to go to different modes. First, forward swipe will take you to things around you mode. A simple tap will activate the mode and capture the image. After the completion of the description, you can tap again to activate the mode again. You will stay in that particular mode till you swipe again. Second, forward swipe will take you to reading mode. If your reading material is not aligned properly, it will guide you to move the material left or right and it will capture the image again. After the proper alignment, it will read to the user. While it is reading, the user can give a tap to stop reading and can tap again to repeat. One can come out of the reading mode by swiping again. Third, forward swipe will take you to walking assistant. The mode uses a proximity sensor to measure the distance of an obstacle in the user's path. Image will be captured to guide the user to a free space available from the detected obstacle. It will ask the user to stop walking if they are closer to any obstacle. It can alert the user if it finds doors, stairs, or potholes in the path. The next, forward swipe will take you to voice assistant. All the functionalities of the device can be activated by the user's voice command. Users can ask for the time, date, and for the weather as well. If asked to describe the surrounding, it can give a detailed description of the image captured, including the color of an object, facial expression, and much more. One can use the keywords like things around me, read, detect person, describe my surrounding, etc. All these modes can also be accessed through backward swipes. Next, forward swipe will take you to more options. In more options, the first forward swipe will take you to my bookshelf. The user can store a book that they have read in the reading mode, and those pages will appear in my bookshelf. These stored pages can be heard anytime the user wants. Third, forward swipe will take you to facial storage, where the user can store anybody's face for facial recognition. The same person's face can be identified in the things around you mode. Fourth, forward swipe will take you to delete stored faces, where you can delete the faces stored in the face store mode. Fifth, forward swipe will take you to audio tutorial. Here the user can learn how to use the device by listening to the tutorial. Sixth, forward swipe will take you to warranty information. Seventh, forward swipe will take you to help desk, where users can record their feedback, queries, and send it to the support team. And finally, the eighth, forward swipe will take you back to the main menu when activated. All these modes can also be activated with backward swipes. A long tap on the standby circle will activate the emergency mode. This mode will call your emergency number automatically. An image of your surroundings will be captured and sent to that number along with your location.